Love should be easy. Why should it not? When all you want is to be loved.
Hey people, it's me Nevilanis with a new video where I'll talk about some cool shortcuts that you can use to make working on your PC flawless. The first one on the list is Windows plus E that helps you open the File Explorer and access any of your files quickly. The second on the list is Control plus Tab. This helps you switch between the tabs if you are working on multiple tabs. This also works on your open documents. If you have multiple applications open, you can do the same with these applications by using the key combination as Alt plus Tab. Ctrl plus W or Ctrl plus F4 can be used to close the current open tab, and Alt plus F4 can be used to close the current open application. But if you are on the desktop with all these applications closed or minimized, typing Alt plus F4 will open a shutdown dialog box to easily turn off your PC. If you have many applications open and want to get to the desktop without having to minimize everything one by one, you can simply press Windows plus D. To get back to the last open application, same key combination will help. F2 is another handy shortcut to rename the files or folders. To rename, you can select the desired file, press F2, then enter the suitable name and press enter. In most games, F11 will help you exit or enter the full screen mode. Windows plus R is of those most useful shortcuts. This opens the run dialog box for us. You can type some dedicated shortcuts in the box to access desired applications and settings. I've listed some useful ones. Typing CMD will open command prompt. Control will open control panel. WinWord will open MS Word if it is installed on your PC. Similarly, PowerPNG and Excel can be used to open MS PowerPoint and MS Excel respectively if installed on your PC. The shortcut I'll tell you now will prove to be a lifesaver for you. It definitely did for me. Say you have multiple tabs open on your browser, but accidentally you press the close button on the right and want to reopen all those closed tabs. Then you can simply press Ctrl and Shift with the letter T to get all those tabs back. Pressing the same key combination will open the recently closed tabs one by one in order. Precise selection of text in your documents is not of those easy tasks with keyboard. But what if I say it is? Keyboard can be used for precise selections in your documents too. Shift plus up or down arrow keys will help you select a text by one line to the preferred direction, that is to the up or to down. Shift plus left or right arrow keys can be used to select text by single letter to the desired direction. Similarly, to select a single word, you can press Ctrl plus Shift with the left or right arrow keys. So guys, this is all for today. Hope this was helpful. In the next video, I'm planning to make a video teaching how to download premium copyright-free music free of cost. These are used by big YouTubers like Mr. Who's the Boss, MKBHD and others as well. So make sure you press that subscribe button to get notified on latest updates from this channel. And don't forget to like this thing if you think this video is worth a like.